Today, I'd like to share something about our HTEK provisioning tool with you. Now, let's take a look at the interface of the tool. Our tool has four interfaces. The first is the phone configuration. Through this visual interface, we can modify the configurations of the configurations field. As you can see, we can make different configurations to the phone by clicking the buttons on the interface. For example, we select the date here to configure our phone's time zone. Select the relevant configuration of the LDAP phone book here. After direct configuration here, we have make sure that all configurations should be same in the generated configurations field. The second interface is the CFG batch. We need to input all the configuration information in CSV form. As you can see my form here. Click the Load CSV field. All information has been imported. The next interface is a device online. In this interface, we can search for all the phones that have been connected to local LAN. Click the Discover Devices. You can find all phones with the extensions through this tool. You can find the specific mode, IP address, mark, and vision, and so on. You can also search by setting limits to the MAC address. The last is the server setting. The HTTP and PNP servers built inside the tool can directly send configuration field to the related phones. Here you can activate the HTTP and PNP servers. Get familiar with the interface and we will demonstrate the tool. The first step is to start the server. After that, we import our prepared CSV form into our tool. You can see all of our registration information has been shown in the tool. After that, we can choose our default model tempo, such as 902, 903, and so on. Then we can configure some of the detail of the phone. For example, we need to configure registration information now. Add the variable in the table to our configuration item. We choose account basic, account 1. Replace the primary SIP server here. Also user ID. Author ID. password, and display name. We can also configure the LDAP phone book. Select the LDAP here. Then enter the configure LDAP server address, username, and password. After the configuration, we can directly configure the line key here. And select LDAP. Now we switch to the CFG batch interface and generate the configuration field in batch. Click the autofill server path. Click the batch to building server. Now we can see all the configuration under this folder. You can also put the upgrade version in this folder. At the same time, restart the phone. The phone will automatically get the configuration field. Isn't our tool very easy to use? Thank you for watching.